I went ahead and purchased another Apple Watch Ultra. It's supposed to be a copy, or rather a knockoff, but this time around, it has its own special name to it, making it stand out compared to the other knockoffs out there. That's a Apple Watch Ultra wannabe. So looking at it at first, you will definitely see that it does have the Ultra marking underneath it, and it looks just like the real Apple Watch Ultra. It's got the speakers on the side, the buttons, the belt itself too, and it comes in different colors. And this belt in particular is quite on the premium side. I personally purchased this here for $17.49. This was purchased from eBay plus the $5.99 shipping. You can see that it's got the different clock faces, and the actual name of this smartwatch is the S9 Ultra smartwatch. So even though it looks just like the Apple Watch Ultra, it's got its own special name to it. And it says quality assurance, which in actuality, it does just that. And a couple of weeks ago, I did purchase myself a Apple Watch Ultra clone by mistake, but this one here is way better. The only bad thing so far I can say is this magnet wireless charger is not holding up at all. You can see it just falls off so easy. But in terms of the software itself, it's quite loaded with so many features. The icons will not look exactly like a real Apple Watch Ultra. The menu itself is not like a real Apple Watch, but it has a lot of features and settings to it that can make you customize it to the best way possible. It's got a heart rate measuring, and of course you can see the red light here flashing. Then you also get that special, not just the BPM, but the blood oxygen measurement as well, which really for under $20 is quite a steal of a deal. And you'll see this smartwatch around in many online stores or places. It's the S9 smartwatch, and some people want to sell you this for over 30, 50. Some even want to sell it to you for around $60 to $100, and I would say no to that. And if you can get it cheap, just go ahead and get it cheap, all right? So it's definitely not worth any more than $25. But you can see as I'm navigating the smartwatch itself, the touch interface, the touch feedback is very smooth, and it's got lots of features, especially this pre-installed game F1 Race. So if you're bored, you have nothing else to do, no connection to any internet, then you can play yourself this game in the meantime while you're waiting. This is the blood oxygen one here, and you'll see that red light flashing there again. And compared to the other Apple Watch Ultra knockoff that I got by mistake not too long ago, I actually prefer this one, as this one does have an app to it, and it's quite compatible, giving you a lot more features to it. So aside the premium feel to it and the realistic look of a Apple Watch Ultra, the app itself is this one right here. As you can see, I'm going through it. It also gives you the name of the watch here to let you know that that's the watch you're using. And instead of having a hard time navigating the settings and features on the watch itself, you can use it with the app and get just about everything plus more on the app itself. Another cool thing is being able to use the camera on the smartwatch, and tapping on it to OK gives you a camera shot. So all in all, it's actually a really great smartwatch. So whether you're looking to get yourself a somewhat look like an Apple Watch Ultra, or simply just want a nice big screen smartwatch with a great resolution to it, this here is the speakers, just letting you know how it sounds. And it does sound on the okay side. Yes, you can make calls with this once you have it connected to your phone, whether it's iPhone, Android. And again, loaded with features, and for that price range, definitely I'll say go for it, not just because it looks like an Apple Watch Ultra, but it's got a unique app or dedicated app for it, giving you the best of both worlds. But of course, there's always plenty of different smartwatches out there. Check out my other smartwatch reviews. And if you want to see more like this here, let me know in the comments section. Also, let me know if you do have the S9 Ultra so others can know of your experience, whether it's good or bad, to help them make a purchase decision. Like and sub.